through integrated management of agriculture and natural resources such as water in the rural areas of Latin America and the Caribbean. Then with regards to resilience approach, and why this concept is important for coastal zones management, I would like you to know that there are several definitions for resilience, but two of them are the ones we consider as a better fit for operational purposes. So the first one is that resilience is the underlying capacity of an ecosystem to maintain desired ecosystem services in the face of a fluctuating environment and human use. And the second is what defines resilience as the capacity of a social ecological system to absorb recurrent disturbances, such as the impacts of climate change, so as to retain essential structures, processes, and feedbacks. The concept of resilience can be implemented practically towards coastal watershed management. And to do so, we need to have combinations of adaptation strategies which deliver multiple benefits. For example, solar power that provides energy with low carbon emissions, and sustainable water management if it is combined, for instance, with desalination, are examples of adaptation strategies with multiple benefits. Besides, it has been proven that readapting existing methodologies, like the famous farm plans, can help in the process of building resilience. For example, the introduction of agroforestry and silvopastoral systems in farms. In terms of concepts that aid in the process of building resilience, we found that working within the framework for the analysis of resilience in this social ecological system is the easier and straightforward way to go in order to advance in the first step, which is the description of the system. Define resilience as the key processes, structures, and actors involved in the process of building resilience. Therefore, two of such approaches helping to handle the first step are the ecosystem services and the vulnerability assessment, both addressing a concept model, actually, describing the socio-ecological system. Both approaches will be explained within the next presentation in this session today. And the last topic I want to share is related with building science policy bridges to communicate resilience. There is a need to share information because stakeholders have different sources of information and also different interests. And also there is a need to educate communities that live in the coastal zones and communicate it in such a way as to affect positive change. So this is some of the elements that we will discuss today, and hopefully with your help interacting with us. And the final message for Dr. Mohammed is just, I hope you have a very interesting and productive session. And he sends greetings from the headquarters of CATIE in Costa Rica. So thank you very much.